Did you know that King Henry VIII built his navy from hemp? That the first 4 presidents of the USA were hemp farmers? In fact, hemp was one of the earliest plants cultivated by humans thousands of years ago. Hemp is a cousin to marijuana, but the plant does not contain enough of the psychoactive substance tetrahydrocannabidiol to make a person intoxicated. However, hemp does have a strong odor similar to marijuana. Hemp is a cannabis plant that contains 0.3% or less THC, while marijuana is a cannabis plant that contains more than 0.3% of THC. Industrial hemp has been used to make fabrics for centuries, but its fibrous materials are used to make many other items. Hemp seeds and fibers, for example, are used to make concrete, plastic, fuel, rope and food, and its natural compounds such as CBD oil and other supplements are used for medical purposes. So now, why hemp can save the earth? There is no doubt that the global temperature is rising. The Amazon is shrinking, our oceans and rivers are clogged with plastic, and we still rely on toxic unrenewable energy sources. Not only can hemp replace the causes of many carbon emissions, but it also has the potential to reduce the levels of greenhouse gases. Hemp consumes a massive 4 times as much CO2 as trees and has such a carbon dioxide uptake that it creates a process called carbon sequestration, which captures emissions. This means every ton of hemp eliminates approximately 1.63 tons of carbon. And it's not just air that hemp can help to clean. This clever plant actually has the ability to extract toxic and heavy metals from the earth, making it more fertile. Hemp was even planted in Chernobyl following the nuclear disaster in 1980s and actively helped remove radioactive materials from the soil. Ever heard of walls having ears? Yeah, but what about them breathing? Well, hemp brings even breathe, with hemp continuing to remove carbon dioxide from the air even after it has been turned into hempcrete. It also cuts down the greenhouse gases created when making concrete, which requires very high temperatures to be manufactured. Hemp could prove invaluable in dealing with the worst housing crisis the UK has seen since the Second World War. As building material, it is cheaper, just a sixth of the weight and 10 times stronger than concrete, while hemp buildings can last for a colossal 500 years. And that's not all. Hempcrete is more insulating than concrete, storing heat and releasing it throughout the day, while the material is also great at dealing with humid conditions, with the plant fibers absorbing the moisture in the air. Did you know that just 1 acre of hemp can produce the same amount of paper per year as 4 acres of trees? In fact, the world's first paper was probably made from hemp more than 2,000 years ago in China, with hemp fabric smashed down into thin sheets along with other agriculture waste. Not only does it produce a high yield, yet hemp is also easier to grow. Hemp stalks take between 3 to 4 months to grow, whereas a tree can take 20 to 80 years. Companies like Coca-Cola have also begun experimenting with 100% plant-based bottles, though currently most commercially available products are made from no more than 30% plant-based materials. Did you know that Henry Ford's first Model T was built to run on hemp gasoline, and the car itself was constructed from hemp? It is impossible to avoid the devastating impact fossil fuels are having on our planet. Hemp can be used to make the biofuels bioethanol and biodiesel and is the only alternative fuel that can run unmodified in any diesel engine. So would you like to be in a house made from hemp or drive a car that uses hemp fuel? And do you think hemp can really save our planet? Share your thoughts in the comments, like if you find this video informative, and subscribe to the Why Stuff.